Well, look, I got one more fucking game to talk about, and you fucking showed my cards a little bit early. You were talking about fucking assholes in bear costumes. Look, we got the fucking the UCLA Bruins, another California guy in a fucking bear costume, and another team that's going to get their fucking balls kicked in. The Arizona State Sun Devils are at home for homecoming, and the Sun Devils are favored by 6.5 points. The Sun Devils' passing defense is number 1 in the country. Number 1. Keeping their opponents to only a 50% completion percentage and 130 measly yards per game. Now, these teams are both 5-2 with a similar schedule, but 2 weeks ago, we saw UCLA lose to the Cal Golden Showers, 43-17. Dude, that's embarrassing. Cal is a shitty fucking team. The Sun Devils were able to go into Berkeley and handle a shitty Cal, no fucking problem, like they fucking should. The average point differential for UCLA is +9, while Arizona State is +19.5. In home games this year, the Arizona State point differential increases to a staggering 53 points per game. Arizona is a far superior team on both sides of the ball, and when they're home, they don't give up shit. The last 4 years, the home team of this contest has won. This game right here, like I said, is homecoming for the Sun Devils. You better believe they're going to represent their desert well. Now wait a goddamn minute. My sources just told me that UCLA not only has one asshole in a bear costume as their mascot, they have 2 assholes in bear costumes. Whose fucking idea was this?
What the fuck is going on in the fucking state of California? They're fucking assholes in the fucking panda suits.
That's fucking ridiculous. Now let's talk about Arizona State's mascot. Have you seen the fucking mascot of Arizona State? He's fucking Satan. The mascot is a devil with a fucking trident. It's not a pitchfork, it's a trident, like the Greek god Poseidon. And what do Arizona State faithful do when their team does something good? They throw their tridents in the air, holding up their index, middle, and pinky finger in the air. Now, this is also known as the shocker, or more crudely, 2 in the pink, 1 in the stink. The Arizona State student body is going to welcome home their superior football team this week and watch them easily cover the 6.5 points and revel as Sparky the Sun Devil delivers the shocker to both assholes in bear costumes, Joe and Josephine Bruin. Fuck them. 2 in the pink, 1 in the stink. Arizona State -6.5.